The Ministry of Heavy Industries recently released guidelines to help promote manufacturing of electric passenger cars in India. Well, the idea is to help attract global EV players with an established presence to help set up manufacturing operations in India in return for a reduced import duty. Well, let me make it simpler. All global EV manufacturers can import up to 8,000 units of electric four-wheelers for a reduced import duty of 15% as against the current rate of 70 to 100%. But of course, there is a catch. These companies will have to set up a base of operations in India and invest up to 500 million US dollars or 4,150 crore rupees in order to attract that subsidy in import duties. There are two other caveats to this. The company must also have a minimum of 25% domestic value addition in 3 years and 50% domestic value addition in 5 years to get the full benefits. The maximum duty benefits a company can get under this scheme is 6,484 crores. The Minister for Heavy Industries, H.D. Kumaraswamy, said that companies like Mercedes-Benz, Kia, Hyundai and Volkswagen have shown interest in the new EV manufacturing policy. But Tesla reportedly isn't keen on manufacturing in India at the moment, with its current plan being to import its cars into India despite the high import tariff. The company does have an India office but is yet to begin operations officially.
Government of India wanted to encourage big global car makers to manufacture electric vehicles in India. Tesla, we are not actually expected from them. They have only to start 2 showrooms. They are not interested in manufacturing in India.
This new scheme might just help a lot of global EV players to bring in a wide set of EV portfolio in India, provided they meet all the conditions which are technical. So, what are your thoughts on this new EV manufacturing policy that the Indian government has laid out? Does this mean we get to see more electric vehicles in India? Well, do let us know your thoughts in the comments below.